In this video, we're gonna talk about what and where you should buy on Black Friday and what you shouldn't according to experts. The day after Thanksgiving is known as Black Friday. This used to be unofficially or officially the start of the holiday shopping season. Almost all stores come out with Doorbuster Sales with the early bird special to attract consumers to their shop. People stand in line hours before the stores are open to grab the bargains of the year, but it's not gonna happen this year because
It's Corona time! Hey, it's Corona time right now.
and we can continue with the Black Friday. Let's talk about things that are worth buying on Black Friday. The first one is the electronics. You can't find a better time than Black Friday to replace your old TV in the living room with 4K LED. Do you already have a good TV? Then what about smart TV accessories? Apple TV, Amazon Fire, Roku or Google Chromecast? Also think about smartphones or robotic vacuum. These products are on sale every year. If we come to the subject of where you can get this product at a discount, I can recommend for tech discounts are Amazon, Best Buy, Target, Walmart and Newegg. Check these websites to find the best deals. Some nice items will be available with very limited stock. Our next category is appliances. They can be best gift because the person you gift will remember you every time when they use the product. You can buy coffee makers, air fryers, KitchenAid, slow cookers, toasters, and every other must-have kitchen gadgets. And do you know what is the other best thing about appliances on Black Friday? These products are getting huge discounts. Prices drop 40 to 50% lower than normal retail on Black Friday. Yeah, it's a good time for buying. Now, what do you think about some high quality product like Instapot, Oster, Black & Decker, Farmerware, Crockpot? The best websites I can recommend for appliances discounts are Best Buy, Home Depot, Macy's and Target. It may not be a winter like in Winterfell, but you can keep yourself and your loved ones toasty for less. If you have a plan to a mountain, it's a time to be ready. Clothes shopping is always a good idea on Black Friday. There are incredible discounts for winter clothes on Black Friday. Jackets, vests, footwear and even those Christmas sweaters that you only wear one day a year will be on sale. And you can check Columbia, Kohl's, Macy's, Amazon for clothes discounts. We talked about what you should buy on Black Friday. Time to talk about what you shouldn't buy. Black Friday offers discounts on many products, but not all of them are really deep prices. They try to deceive the customers by making little discounts on some products. Let's see things that are not worth buying on Black Friday. You bought a new TV for your living room, but also need furniture? Be slow. It's not the time for buying it on Black Friday. While the best discounts on furniture happen between August and September. The second one is the gaming consoles. What I will tell you right now is very simple. Stay away from latest generation gaming consoles on Black Friday. This year will be a weird one for consoles. We often do see good Black Friday game console deals. But the latest generation of the Xbox and PlayStation are due for release at the beginning of November. We aren't expecting to see any deals on the new consoles, and any bundles will likely be full price. As new consoles are released, there will be a discount on the old ones, but these are the tech of a few years ago. You should wait another 4 or 5 months for new consoles because there is a huge benchmark difference between new and old. And the last one is the holiday tickets. Contrary to popular belief, buying fly or hotel ticket for in advance does not always yield the best price. Wait until after January to purchase tickets for spring travel, and also don't forget the coronavirus. COVID cases on the rise again, and destinations still implementing restrictions. Travel deals for Black Friday 2020 are going to be weird. In our opinion, you shouldn't buy your ticket due to the risk of cancellation and your loved health. If you have to book travel, be sure to carefully check the refund policy. We talked about things that are worth and not worth buying on Black Friday. If you liked the video and wanna support us, don't forget to like and subscribe.